Want a space-saving, folding door? This hinge is suitable only for door thickness of 35 to 45 millimeters. Let's install this 180-degree stainless folding hinge. Make sure both doors are less than 40 kilograms. Total door width of both doors should also be less than or equal to 800 millimeters only. This folding hinge has a left or right side. Be sure to check what you need prior to purchasing. This video installation is a right side folding hinge. Shop now only at Magnificent Hardware.